Just is started. We have director's play. Break quick. Let us start. Moving upon the outside. Now is Campi in. Ceiling pula. Princess Jo. Señorita Rita comes next. Magalang while Atihan is the early trailer by about 18 lengths of the leader, racing down the backstretch. We have director's play. This is why we follow. If we can take the lead. Moving upon the outside, Ceiling Pula, Count Me In, Señorita Rita is running by the rail. Then comes Princess Jo, Magalang, and a long way back to Atihan, who's racing in last. Back to the leader. We have director's play, Ceiling Pula, Señorita Rita. Now moving up down on the inside. The next online, Count Me In, Princess Jo, Magalang, while Atihan is still racing in last 400 meters of the race. Director's play, Ceiling Pula, Señorita Rita is still in third, and as they swing for room, we have Ceiling Pula. Director's play is down on the inside. Señorita Rita is still in third. Last 100 meters, we have Ceiling Pula, Señorita Rita. Now moving up on the outside, Ceiling Pula, Señorita Rita, Ceiling Pula, Señorita Rita, and finally it's close. Ceiling Pula, Señorita Rita, director's play, Magalang, Count Me In, Princess Joanne, Atihan. This program is brought to you by Robust Extreme Super Stick to.
Tignan muna natin prueba. 123.8 para sa distansya 1,300 meters with clips of 7.5, 24, another 24, finishing at 28. At yan, meron tayong photo for first placer, Banker.